In this video, I'll be showing you how to find Wi-Fi password, and we're going to use command prompt and other two methods. So open up your command prompt, just click on the search bar, then type CMD, and then select command prompt. And then we are going to type the following command. Let me just expand this and then increase the font. Type netsh, that stands for network show, and then wlan, that stands for wireless local area network, and then type show space profiles. This will display all the network profile that your computers ever interacted with. So if you hit enter, you can see all the profiles that my computers ever interacted with. So it has interacted with these three internet. So type the following command again: netsh space wlan space and show profile. Don't worry, I'll paste this command in the description below. And then name equals double quote, and then type the name of the internet profile that you want to retrieve the password. So I'm going to type to retrieve the password for this one here. So I'll type that JD5 OIO, then close quote, space, key equals clear, and then space, type pipe. You can find pipe on the left key shift. That's just above the shift button on the left hand side. And then type find space open quote again, and then the name, type in key content, and then you close and hit enter. So the moment I press enter, you can see it has displayed the password for this particular Wi-Fi. So you can also use another method. Click the run, just press the cursor on the window icon, then right click on it, and then click run. You can also open this by clicking Windows key plus R, and then type the following command: ncpa.cpl, and then you hit enter. So you land on this network connection page. Select the Wi-Fi one, and then right click on it, click on the status, and then select properties. Not this one. Click on the Wi-Fi properties right here, and then up above here you select the security tab. Now below here you will see network security key. So in order to reveal this, just check these show characters, and you can see this is the password that we saw on the command prompt. You can also, if you want a shortcut, down here on the Wi-Fi icon, right click on it, just click on it, not right click, just click on that, and then click on this arrow. This if you are on Windows 11, I guess. Then right click on the current Wi-Fi, right click on it and then click properties. So up above here you'll see the properties of this profile, Wi-Fi profile. Now, so you can see we have Wi-Fi network password here. So you can click show and you can see that the password here is displayed. You can also scan this to connect. So that's all for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.